Today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of flaking skin when you really want to peel it off but you know that you shouldn't. This can be super painful. It can also be super frustrating because you don't want to walk around with these flakes on your face, but if you try to exfoliate them off the wrong way, you can end up making the problem worse and making it last longer. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of those flakes in a safe way that will be good for your skin and that will make you look better and also feel better. Hi, I'm Amy. I've been working in the beauty industry for the last 10 years, and I'm here to show you that skincare and makeup doesn't have to be complicated. I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks that I've learned working with product formulators in the beauty industry and also through my own trial and error in my 20s and early 30s. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe and keep watching. You can get flaky skin from many different things. It can be from over-exfoliating. It can be when you are dealing with retinization, which is the period when your skin is getting used to a retinoid, or it can just be naturally dry skin. When your skin is flaky, this means that your barrier is impaired. And when your barrier is impaired, what you really need to focus on is restoring the strength of your skin barrier. In order to do that, you want to strip back, stop using your retinoids, any chemical exfoliants like lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. Stop using something like a vitamin C serum, which can be irritating. When your skin is peeling or flaking, you really don't want to go and pick it off because the skin will come off unevenly and it's going to rip off some of the skin that wasn't ready to come off yet. You also don't want to start using a harsh scrub like a physical scrub. You don't want to use a chemical exfoliant because again, that is too harsh. And what you're going to do if you go in with a physical abrasive scrub or with a chemical exfoliant is you're actually just going to further impair your skin barrier, which will probably make the damaged skin last longer, which means you might get more flaking and more peeling. So you really want to be extra gentle, and what you want to do is instead you want to gently rub away those flaked off skin cells with a face oil. Now, you might have heard me talk about oils before. I'm usually not a huge fan. I don't think there's a real need for a separate face or body oil because it only does one element of what a moisturizer can do. But in this case, an oil is actually a great product to use to help you gently remove those flakes. You can use any face oil that you might have or a body oil if you have it. You want to avoid coconut oil because that is comedogenic. If you are super acne prone, you might want to skip this tip because oils can aggravate acne, but if you've used oils in the past and haven't had any issues, then this should be fine. I just use this Neutrogena body oil, which is an oil that I use as an oil cleanser. This is just a very simple oil. I think the main oil is sesame oil. The reason that an oil is a great way to slough off those flaky skin cells is because oil can soften the skin cell edges and then it slips down in between the skin cells and allows you to lift up the dead ones. While it's doing it, it's still a nourishing, gentle experience. It's not scraping it off with a physical scrub or with a harsh acid. It's not going to reduce any water loss or act as a second skin. So it's not going to protect you or to help repair the skin barrier, but this is a great product to use to really wipe away those flakes and gently sweep off the flaky skin. And then after that, you can use your moisturizer and maybe a protective healing ointment in order to help repair the skin barrier. So on your dry skin, you want to rub on the face oil. You can leave this on for a few minutes. I probably left mine on for about 3 minutes. That just sort of lets the oil seep down in between the cells. And then you just want to take the pads of your fingers and gently rub your skin wherever you have the flakes to gently have the oil get down there in between the skin cells and start to gently slough off the flakes. You can gently rub as long as you want, a minute or two. It probably shouldn't take too long. It shouldn't hurt. You shouldn't be pressing too hard or ripping the skin. You should just be gently sloughing it away. And then after that, you can take a washcloth or a towel with some lukewarm water and just wipe away the excess oil and kind of wipe away any of the dead skin that is left. And that's the tip for how to get rid of the flakes and the peeling without causing any further damage. And then from there, the things that will help you repair your skin barrier will be you want to have your skin be a little bit damp. Then you want to go in with a nice moisturizer that is going to help to seal in that hydration and help the skin start to repair. And then if you're dealing with severe flakes, you might want to add on a ointment or a balm that will help prevent transepidermal water loss, which is going to help the barrier begin to function properly again. Before bed, you can apply CeraVe healing ointment or Vaseline on top, which is also known as slugging, to really seal that in and protect the skin. Or if it's during the day and you don't want to apply a thick greasy ointment, you could apply the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm. That is a great product for helping to protect the skin and seal in the moisture barrier, but it's a little bit more cosmetically elegant so that you can wear it during the day. The oil should help you get rid of those flakes gently without causing any issues, and then adding in a moisturizer and then sealing that in with an ointment or a balm can help heal that flaky skin so that the flakes flakes stop forming. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content like this. I will see you next week.